Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to add your Clearpay card to Apple Wallet? Here's a quick guide to get you set up. First of all, open the Clearpay app on your iPhone and log into your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Clearpay card section. If you are new to the Clearpay card, follow the in-app instructions to set it up. After setting up, tap the Add to Apple Wallet button. This will redirect you to the Apple Wallet app. In the Apple Wallet app, follow the on-screen instructions to finalize adding your Clearpay card. And that's it. Your Clearpay card is now added to Apple Wallet, ready for seamless in-store purchases. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.